Mitsubishi Electric Mr. Slim Inverter Ceiling Concealed Type with Duct PEY series is compact and suitable for installation in confined spaces. It complements a wide range of designs and installation is recommended at the same stage as structural work to ensure maximum aesthetics. This model is able to adjust inlet air between the rear and bottom of the unit as necessary to suit the design and requisites of the space. Before going to field, ensure all equipment and tools have been thoroughly checked, and safety equipment must be worn at all times. Before installation begins, a complete inventory of all the unit's parts and equipment should be made. Firstly, select the most appropriate location for the indoor unit. Once it has been determined, the indoor unit should be lifted to the installation location at a distance of about 30 centimeters from the wall. Use the laser level to determine the position at the ceiling for fix the 4 hanging bolts in place. Then, drill holes on the marked points. Assemble the hanging bolts, nuts and washers together. Fasten the M10 hanging bolts to the ceiling structure and tighten the screws at all 4 positions. Please ensure the indoor unit is totally secured and will not drop due to any operational vibrations. Lift the unit up and suspend it high enough to insert the mounting plate. Tighten the bolts to the main unit at all 4 points. Use a level gauge to prevent the unit from tilting. The next step is to connect the refrigerant pipe as follows. 1. Tighten the flare nut to the unit. 2. Wrap the flare nut connection with the pipe cover accessory that comes with the unit. 3. Secure each pipe cover with the enclosed bands to prevent dew drop issues. 4. Connect the drain pipe, electrical wiring, and remote controller wiring. To connect the duct to the indoor unit, aluminium tape is required to seal between the duct and air outlet of the indoor unit. Canvas duct is necessary for the procedure to connect the duct to the supply air chamber, because it can reduce vibrations during the operation and make future maintenance more convenient. Attach the canvas duct to the front of the unit with screws and completely seal it with aluminium tape. Indoor unit installation is one part of the ceiling concealed type installation procedure. To complete the installation of the air duct, the supply air grill is necessary, depending on the design and layout of the room. Installation of a return air duct or air chamber is required to limit the return air within the desired area. If the chamber is not installed, all of the hot air inside the ceiling will be returned to the air conditioner and affect the cooling performance. It will increase the air conditioning load and power consumption. Technical information of this air conditioner can be downloaded from the website or contact the Mitsubishi Electric Service Center for more information. Thank you for your interest and please subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Cooling Master.